Thanks for tuning in. So what's going on? It is the year of the Gru, 2025, year of the Gru. Maybe it's a year or two, but it's a year of the Gru. There is work to do in the year of the Gru or two, and that would be I wanted to drain the tank, so I'll show you some of that, and I wanted to start trying to work on the engine, and one of the major things was to make sure it's not seized. We'll cover some of that in this video. I'll just kind of do a brief resume of what I was up to, and oh, and hey, one other thing, if you feel like it, feel free to subscribe and like the video, and if you do subscribe, thank you. Just about to crack 300 subscribers. Isn't that the craziest thing? Oh my goodness.
Right, so today I'm finally not being attacked by bees, and the weather is actually quite pleasant. So, figured I'd get going on the boat here a little bit. So, moving right along, kind of get onto the engine. Figured first thing I'll do is check the fuel. I want to see what's in the tank, if anything. Right. Jeez Louise. There's fuel in there. Tab. Alright. I gotta get the fuel out of there. So far, I've filled up all of these gas containers. Started with the black thing, then I remembered that I had this old gas can that I had found at a dump. So I filled that too, and I filled the small one. Now I've used some of the gas to burn some things, but there's still gas in the boat. So, gonna have to keep going, find something else. So here we are. I need to do just a little bit more research, find out what it is that unlocks a seized engine the best as far as oils or whatnot. And I guess we'll take it from there. I'll have to go to the store. Okay, so I guess I'm taking a little break. Go eat an ice cream sandwich. Life is good. You're the groove. Okay, so today's plan is to head into the city to purchase a can of seafoam deep penetrating. I've watched a video and it would appear that that mixed with diesel fuel inserted into each cylinder and left to sit for some time is perhaps one of the best ways to actually unseize an engine. As far as where we're at with the boat so far, I've drained the fuel from the engine or from the tank. The tank was full with probably 100 liters of fuel. So that's been there for over 5 years, so it definitely had to come out. Now, I wanted to also connect a battery and perhaps try to start the engine, but I did try to turn it by hand and it seems pretty stuck. So I don't know if I want to go ahead and start doing anything like trying to start it just yet. So what I'll do is try to do that thing to unseize it, give it a little bit of time to make sure everything has time to loosen up and be nice and easy to actually turn. And then at that point, we'll try to get some fuel on there, get the spark plugs back in like they're supposed to be with new plugs, change out the oil, which there's no drain plugs on boat engines for anybody who didn't really realize. So you either need a pump or to install a drain plug, which is possible, I guess. Myself, I'll probably just pump it out. I believe my pump should be adequate. But I guess I'll have to try to check that. Anyway, so that's a bit of an update as far as where we're at with the boat as it stands right now, beginning of August. Yeah, it looks like a grass fire. Doesn't look like anything else. Ah. Big one? Oh, okay. Coming. Okay, how to fish out a straw. Alright. Well, this straw just got blown into there because I'm an idiot. Let's see if I can see it. Oh.
C'est ce que je veux dire. C'est-tu la bonne chaise, là? Es-tu correct? Es-tu propre?
Yeah, clean them both.
Crawl.
Okay, so it's been about 3 or 4 days, I don't remember, since I put in the deep creep and the diesel. So, and as you'll remember, the straw for the deep creep went into the last cylinder over there. And so hopefully it'll move so I could get the cylinder or the piston to the top of the cylinder, and hopefully be able to grab the straw somehow. All right, so I've tried moving it. It doesn't want to move, so I think we're let's try going the other way. Oh, it moved a little bit. Okay, well, some movement is better than no movement. All right, I'm gonna try working this a bit. Oops. Okay, just undoing the screw thing. Hear the diesel falling out. Yeah. Okay, this is just tightening this now. It's freaking hot out today. 35 degrees Celsius is going to over, well, 40 or over with the humidex. So, and it's only 10 in the morning already. So I'm going to do this in little bits at a time. Okay, so put the piece of conduit back on the ratchet just to put a little bit of pressure. I'll come try this again a little bit later. Yeah, very, very, very stable. Amazing. Always adding a layer of difficulty. So let's do this with the camera even. Remember, folks, safety second. All right. Hey there, Foxy. All right, like I said, it's 10 a.m., 28 degrees, feels like 33. Not so bad, but this afternoon is going to be getting pretty hot. Talking to the camera, my love. Okay, I had to go get the camera or my phone, however you want to look at it. The thing that does everything that is also a phone. Oh, wow. Hold on a second. Okay, so I'm very excited. And the reason why I'm excited is because finally, after days in 35 degrees Celsius, no exaggeration, been kind of massaging the engine back and forth. because I had a little bit of play once it broke loose. And so I kept on working it back and forth, trying not to go too crazy over the couple of days. And well, finally, that thing, it turns all the way around. So, yeehaw! Next step will be to get the battery connected and, well, see what happens. It's kind of fun when
She finally was awash. We worked like hell to save her, all heedless of the cost. And the groan she gave as she went down, it caused us to proclaim that the Mary Ellen Carter rise again. The owners rode her off, not a nickel what they spent. She gave 20 years of service, boys, the matter sorry end. And turn the spade the laws to us, so let her as below. They landed us and said we had to go. But we talked to her all winter, some days around the clock.